to Beginning Grammar. Introduction to Grammar. In this lesson, you will learn about some different word forms. There are different kinds of words. We are going to look at nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Then, we will look at different kinds of nouns, common nouns, proper nouns, and pronouns. To begin, a noun is a word that is a person, place, or thing. For example, a noun is a person, like the words mother, student, teacher, and baby. A noun is also a place. The words city, restaurant, classroom, and park are all nouns. And a noun is a thing. So the words pen, chair, keyboard, and banana are also all nouns. Another kind of word is a verb. A verb is an action word. Cook, laugh, drink, and dance are all verbs. They tell what happens. And a third kind of word is an adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Tall, hot, and pink are all adjectives. They tell you something about the nouns. The giraffe is tall, the coffee is hot, and the flower is pink. Now you know three kinds of words. A noun is a person, place, or thing, like baby, park, and banana. A verb is an action word, like dance, the father and daughter dance. And an adjective describes a noun, like pink. This flower is pink. Now let's look more closely at nouns. There are different kinds of nouns. Two of these are common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns and proper nouns are both words for a person, place, or thing, but a common noun is for any person, place, or thing, and a proper noun is a name. Here is an example. Here is a student. The word student is a common noun. If we give this student a name, Mary, Mary is the name of the student. Mary is a noun, but it is a proper noun because it is a name. Notice the capital letter. We always use capital letters for proper nouns. But do you see student? We don't use a capital letter for the word student because it is a common noun, not a name. Let's take a moment here to look at the English alphabet. This is the alphabet. We have two kinds of letters. These are the capital letters. Sometimes we call them uppercase, but in these lessons we will call them capital letters. These are the lowercase letters. In English, we start every sentence with a capital letter. You can see that here and here. We also use capital letters for proper nouns, like in this example. Student is a common noun, and Mary is a proper noun. It is the name of the student. Let's look at some more examples of proper nouns. City is a common noun, but New York is a proper noun because it is the name of a city. Notice the capital letters. The word car is a noun, but Mercedes-Benz is a proper noun because it is the name of a kind of car. That's why the M and B in Mercedes-Benz are capital letters. The word street is a noun, but when the street has a name, like Sunset Boulevard, it becomes a proper noun. Let's practice. You are going to see a word. Think, is it a common noun or a proper noun? Cat. Cat is a common noun. This could be any cat. We don't know the name of the cat. Buddy. Buddy is a proper noun. It's the name of this dog. Hilton. Hilton is a proper noun. Hilton is the name of the building or the hotel chain, so it has that capital letter. Hotel. Hotel is a common noun. We don't know the name of the hotel, so we don't use the capital letter. Apple. The word apple is a common noun. Apple. So this is a different kind of apple, right? This apple is a brand name, so it is a proper noun. Look at the proper nouns here. Notice the capital letters. We use a capital letter to show proper nouns.